So something that we hear with AI outbound is that reps feel a lot less in control out of their prospecting, or they're really confused about why AI generated the emails that it did. So that's why we built Gem-E CoPilot. And basically, this lives in SEP tools. So think things like Outreach and SalesLoft. So here you can see I'm in Outreach and I can see this from my task view or also in my prospects. So if I'm going through and executing tasks in Outreach, I would pull up the task and then I can see in this Chrome extension all of the reasons to engage with Trevor and why Jemmy generated the email that it did. And I can go through and I can even edit the email here as well. So I can see here in this specific example, Trevor was a customer back when they worked at SalesLoft. And you can see some additional information here about Tapcart. So there's another user at Tapcart that came from Attentive. And also it looks like Tapcart did evaluate UserGems in the past. So this could be a really good use of customization where maybe I would want to come in here and mention also Tapcart evaluated UG in the past, something like that. So basically what I would do here as a rep is come through and I would go through my tasks. I can come over here and see Leopold's all of the reasons to reach out to them at Hazelcast. This is their tech stack, so Salesforce and Outreach. If a prospect has those two tools, it's very likely that they'll be a really good fit to also buy UserGems. And they actually compete with one of our customers. So in here, you'll probably see different signals like their competitor is one of our really successful customers. So likely you'll want to evaluate us too. But also we can see they're a past user from Seek. So we can kind of stack those signals together and reps can come through and see exactly why Jemmy is generating these messages and then just review, send, and complete.